Welcome to the Q4 FY26 earnings breakdown for KEI Industries. Let's dive into the consolidated numbers and see how the cables and wire giant performed this quarter. KEI Industries reported a total income of 3,519 crore rupees, driven by core revenue of 3,476 crores and other income of 42.85 crores. That's a strong 19.2% jump year-on-year, and a solid 17.7% growth from the last quarter. Total expenses came in at 3,142 crore rupees. Raw material costs naturally form the bulk, accounting for nearly 2,599 crores. Meanwhile, employee costs stood at 100 crores, with other expenses at 324 crores. Operating performance is looking robust. EBITDA hit 424 crore rupees. That translates to a stellar 25.4% year-on-year surge, and a nearly 20% jump sequentially. This pushed the EBITDA margin up by 60 basis points to 12.2%. Profit before tax stood strong at 377 crore rupees, a healthy 23.6% growth compared to the same quarter last year, showing clear operational efficiency despite scale. The bottom line looks fantastic. Net profit surged to 284 crore rupees. That's a 25.5% year-on-year jump, and up 21% from the previous quarter. The PAT margin now rests comfortably at 8.18%. Earnings per share grew in tandem with profits, landing at 29.74 rupees, a solid 25.4% increase year-on-year, alongside a 21% bump sequentially, delivering direct, measurable value to the shareholders. To wrap it up, KEI Industries delivered a stellar final quarter for FY26. With double-digit growth in top-line revenue, surging net profits, and expanding margins across the board, the core cables, wires, and EPC segments continue to fire on all cylinders as they close out the year. Subscribe for more videos. Disclaimer: